Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the sample rate for your microphone is not supported in Xbox. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You want to go ahead and open up the Start menu, select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings, so again, go ahead and left click on that. Select the gaming tile. Select Xbox Networking on the left side. Give it a moment to load everything up here on the right. Select the Fix It button. So hopefully at that point, if you open up Xbox app, it should work again properly. If not, attempt to restart your computer and then see if that does resolve the problem. So I do hope that was able to resolve your problem, guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.